Hey guys, it's me again, Bobby J from Bars Leagues. Today I want to go over two of the products that we get by far the most calls about. And that is our head gasket fix and our head gasket repair product. Generally, when people call, they've at least identified that they're dealing with a blown head gasket. Now, what we need to know is how severe, what are the symptoms. So I kind of wanted to walk through each product and what criteria we use when we recommend them. That way, you know, if you or somebody you know is dealing with this, you kind of have an idea of which way to go. So our head gasket fix, part number 1111. This product is widely available. You're a good candidate for this if that vehicle is not overheating in, say, 20 minutes. So from an idle cold start, we start it up, and it can make 20 minutes without overheating. But we are still getting coolant loss. We might be getting some white smoke out of the back. We might be dealing with some rough, running rough or some misfires, things like that. That's where we would come in with the head gasket fix. Now, if that leak is a little bit more serious and from that cold start we're overheating in about 15 minutes, then we're gonna have to step up to the HG1. Okay, this is the professional version of that one. It's reinforced with carbon fiber. Now you're a good candidate for this product if you're dealing with those symptoms that are on the more serious side, which would be the combustion gases getting into the system, bubbles, overpressurizing, severe overheating, and big-time coolant loss. That's where you're going to come in with the HG1. So we do have the two products that vary in strength depending on where you're at. You might not need the professional version, but that's why our tech team is available, okay? We're available Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern, and they can be reached at 1-800-345-6572. If you or anybody you know is dealing with any of these issues, guys, a head gasket replacement typically starts at about $1,500, and right now we're all holding on to our money a little bit tighter. So if we can help, listen, certainly give us a call and we'll see what we can do for you, okay? Be well, we'll talk to you soon.